Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, we always bring you interesting videos for you. So today we will explore the Xiaomi Car SU7. Introducing the Xiaomi Car SU7, the epitome of innovation and style in the automotive industry for 2024. Building upon Xiaomi's legacy of groundbreaking technology and forward-thinking design, the Car SU7 redefines the driving experience with its cutting-edge features, advanced safety systems, and unparalleled comfort. Design and exterior. The Xiaomi Car SU7 boasts a sleek and futuristic design that turns heads on the road. With its aerodynamic curves, signature LED lighting elements, and premium finishes, the Car SU7 exudes sophistication and style. From its distinctive grille to its sculpted body lines, every aspect of the exterior reflects Xiaomi's commitment to excellence in automotive design. Interior and comfort. Step inside the Xiaomi Car SU7 and experience a world of luxury and comfort. The spacious cabin is meticulously crafted with high-quality materials, plush seating, and ergonomic design elements that elevate the driving experience. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or navigating city streets, the Car SU7 provides a quiet and refined environment that keeps you relaxed and focused on the journey ahead. Technology and connectivity. Stay connected and entertained on the go with the advanced technology features of the Xiaomi Car SU7. Equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, intuitive touchscreen controls, and seamless smartphone integration, the Car SU7 puts all your favorite apps and media right at your fingertips. With voice commands and hands-free controls, you can stay connected and productive without taking your eyes off the road. Performance and efficiency. Experience exhilarating performance and efficiency with the Xiaomi Car SU7's cutting-edge drivetrain and powertrain options. Whether you prefer the responsiveness of electric power or the dynamic performance of internal combustion engines, the Car SU7 delivers a thrilling driving experience with minimal environmental impact. With advanced regenerative braking systems and intelligent energy management, the Car SU7 maximizes efficiency without compromising performance. Safety is paramount in the Xiaomi Car SU7, which is why it comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems and advanced safety features. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, the Car SU7 provides peace of mind on every journey. With 360-degree camera systems and advanced collision avoidance technology, the Car SU7 helps you navigate even the most challenging driving situations with confidence. Environmental sustainability. As part of Xiaomi's commitment to sustainability, the Car SU7 incorporates eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient technology, and sustainable manufacturing practices. From its recyclable components to its low-emissions footprint, the Car SU7 is designed with the environment in mind. By choosing the Xiaomi Car SU7, you're not just investing in a superior driving experience, you're also contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable future. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Car SU7 represents the pinnacle of automotive innovation in 2024. With its striking design, luxurious interior, advanced technology features, thrilling performance, and uncompromising commitment to safety and sustainability, the Car SU7 sets a new standard for excellence in the automotive industry. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a discerning driver, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Xiaomi Car SU7 is sure to impress with its unparalleled blend of style, performance, and innovation. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome trucks and cars content. We will back with other video, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.